Welcome to Kurul Erode City Publication, Hindi Seminar, October 2020. Information about Hindi online examinations, rules and regulations for October 2020 examination. Yet, they didn't announce the date, later they will be announced. Exam will be conducted through online. Question paper will be sent through Pracharak Sabha 1 hour before the exam for all the examinations. They can write the exam in the home itself or in front of their Pracharak in the tuition center or institution. Pracharak Sabha will be uploaded question paper in their Sabha website address given below. They will send the link via SMS. Thereby, the question paper can be obtained as a PDF through your WhatsApp or email ID. Booklet type answer sheet will be provided for the exam Parichaya to Rashtrabhasha exam. Candidates should take that as printout and write the answers. Question paper will be provided for the examinations Praveshika to Pravinotra. For these examination, the candidates will arrange the A4 sheet of their own. They should complete by the given time. After finishing the exam, the students are requested to hand over to their teachers within 1 hour. Candidates can hand over to the certificated pracharak or will hand over to the branch office or will send to Sabha by email ID or will send the gathering by WhatsApp number. The pracharak or Sabha in charge will collect the answers sheet from the candidate and will send it to the examination department through speed post, register post or by courier within 24 hours. Private student must send their answer sheet direct to the Sabha itself through the Sabha mail ID or by the register post to the Sabha. Those who are writing Praveshika to Pravinotra examinations, candidates will write first and second paper one day and third paper another day. Candidates should submit their answer sheet after finishing their exam itself. There is no Maukhik for the exam, Visharat Uttrat and Pravinottrat. The marks of the oral exam will be determined on the basis of written examinations. For October 2020 exam, the portion is reduced to 50%. Thank you.